Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful nail foil and stamp design. So I'm going to use this silver by China glaze called It's About Time. I love the name of it. It's so cute. The adhesive or glue for the foil. And I recently purchased this foil on Amazon for a couple of dollars. I like the look of it. It's really pretty and colorful. So I already painted my nails with the silver polish, and I'm going to apply a thin coat of the glue. Make sure it's thin. If it's too thick, it'll take forever to dry. Once it's clear and you can see your nail polish and it's tacky, just apply that foil onto your nails. I'm using a cuticle pusher, but you can use anything you want. I like to fully cover my nails with the foil. I don't know, something about it. I just love to make sure my nails completely covered. I see some people do kind of like a dry brush look to it, but that's just me. Once I was done, I removed that foil. And I'm going to apply liquid latex around my nails because I don't know why I always want to put a nail stamp design on top of a foil. I don't know. That's just in my mind. I like to do it. If you want, you can leave it on its own. Then using my nail plate by Buitee, I'm going to apply white polish onto this cool looking nail stamp design. I just thought that this design would look perfect on top of the foil. Now, once I was done, I removed, the liquid latex and cleaned around my nails. And when I applied my top coat, I don't know what happened. Like the colors mixed together with the white. So the white kind of came out pinkish. I didn't really mind it. It gave it a fun look. But, I have to work around and figure it out. But I loved how this look came out. And I hope you did too. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.